Welcome back to the study of sentence patterns. Today we will be learning sentence pattern 3. Pattern 3 is very similar to pattern 2. On the screen, I have 3 pairs of sentences. The ones on the left column, pattern 2. The ones on the right, pattern 3. So what's the difference? Clearly, everything is the same except for the verbs. You know from the previous videos that the verbs in the column on the left are be verbs. The verbs in the column on the right are linking verbs. They work the same way as be verbs. Actually, we can classify be verbs as linking verbs as well, but be verbs are so special, they get their own patterns. I've represented these two sentences with the same picture to demonstrate that the meaning is essentially the same. Isabel equals delighted in both of those. They still make an equation between the subject, Isabel, and the predicate adjective, delighted. In both sentences, this is a predicate adjective. Pattern 3 is the same as pattern 2, except for the change in verb. Pattern 2 is subject plus be verb plus subject complement. Here's a list of common linking verbs. These verbs will sometimes act as action verbs, but we'll get to that in another lesson. Concept check. Pause the video until you have the answer. Hopefully, you chose this third sentence. The first pattern is one we haven't seen yet. The second is pattern 2. As usual, we start with a verb since the patterns are built around them. So our verb here is became. Next, we need to find the subject, Jesse. Now that we have the subject and verb, we can tell what kind of verb we have. In this case, a linking verb. Because it's a linking verb, there must be something the subject is linking to. Here, it's a noun. That means we have subject plus linking verb plus subject complement, in this case, a noun, predicate nominative, and pattern 3. That's it for today. Next lesson, pattern 4.